Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something you see in every app and website you use. That is UI and UX. You might not notice them, but they play a huge role in how easy, fun or confusing a digital product. Have you ever used an app that looks simple, maybe even a little boring, but it works perfectly and is super easy to understand? Or you have used an app that looks amazing with bright colors, cool animations, and a really clean design. Here is the interesting part. The simple app might actually have a good design because good design isn't just how something looks. It is about how it works and how it feels when you're using it. That is where UI and UX comes in. But a lot of people mix these two up even though they are not same at all. So in this video we are going to break down how UI and UX are different and how they work together to create an overall design. UI is all about what you see. It includes the visual design like the colors, buttons, icons and all the graphics that makes a product look attractive. And UX is about what you feel. It focuses on the overall experiences, how easy everything is to use and how smooth it feels and whether the app makes sense to the user. UI makes the app look appealing while UX makes the app feels easy, smooth and frustration free. Now let's talk about the tools. UI designer usually use tools like Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch and etc. to design the visual part of the product, while UX designer use tools like FigJam, Notion, Micro, etc. to research, plan and create user flows. The role of user interface is to create the final look of the product and decide how each element reacts, like when you tap, swap or click. And the role of user experience is to make sure the design actually works for people. That is, it is clear, easy, and gives a smooth experience from start to finish. UI is a visually interactive while UX is seamless. UI focuses on visuals and interactions, the part you directly see and touch. UX focuses on making the app seamless, efficient, and enjoyable to use. The important UI elements are layouts, branding, colors, typography, and iconography. These elements work together to create a clean and attractive design. Now let's look at the UX side. UX strategy, user personas, structure, wireframes, usability testing are the important user experience elements. While UX also focuses on user satisfaction, retention, task completion. All of these elements make sure that the product feels smooth and practical in real world use. So, in short, UI is how the product looks and UX is how the product works. And UI is about the beautiful screens and UX is about the smooth journey. Only when both UI and UX work together, we get a great product that not only looks good but also feels easy to use. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helped you understand the difference between UI and UX and how they work together to create the apps and websites we use every day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.